How y'all doing, and thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety and strobe lighting, as well as other miscellaneous upfitting. Now, this is a previous job we did here for Illinois Tech College public safety minivan. We did all kinds of lighting on this. As you can see, it's a security company, so we used green as per their spec. This van is in a previous video, but this van's primary duty is student safety and transportation. So it goes around the campus, making sure everybody is secure and offering rides to any of the students that need to get from A to B on the campus. As everybody in America is aware, COVID has created unique problems for everyone. This particular van had a unique problem of its own. How do we put all kinds of students in the back, in and out and in and out, and keep the driver and the students as separate as possible? So we were tasked with the challenge of creating a screen in a vehicle that's not a taxi. So what we've done is we made the Wicked Warnings COVID screen. Not a taxi builder by trade, so I did the best I could. We attached it to the seats. We were on kind of a tighter budget. We did not have the funding for a full metal partition rigid mounted to the frame of the van, nor did we really have the room. You can see how the seats do kind of back up into the opening a little bit when the front seats are at 3/4 backward. So what we've got in here up top is a polycarbonate panel, and that's attached to the back of the headrests with a real industrial zip tie. It's then attached down lower here to a plywood panel that has been treated with bed liner. You can see there the plywood panel goes all the way down to the bottom. There's a little better view. Now that plywood panel is secured into the bottom of the seats on each side with some mechanical hardware. It's also tied off to the headrest posts with a braided wire. You can see here that's wrapped around the posts of the headrest and tied off real tightly. So it's very secure. It's sealed up nicely. Gives them a nice separation front to back, allows some freedom of movement on the driver's seat. We went ahead and fixed the passenger seat just to avoid any damage or extra movement on this panel. We're trying to make this as usable as possible. And just to prove to y'all, I got a sense of humor. Here inside, this is the back. You can see not too bad. Got a decent amount of room. Worked out real good. The panel goes all the way up as high as we could. We couldn't attach it to here because we do need to allow for the seat to move. So we contoured it and kept it underneath everything. And it's a great sneeze guard, splash guard. This particular van's got HVAC in the rear, so it's pretty much a taxi van now. And just for the heck of it, I figured I'd give the kids a little bit of advice here when they're in the back of the car. And then if anybody can tell me what movie this one's from, that's another little warning just for those that are riding in the back. Again, just to show y'all I do have somewhat of a sense of humor, and we'll see how long before the owners of the van realize I put those little notes on. All right, so anyways, there it is, the Wicked COVID panel. Give us a holler. Come to Chicago if you need something like this done. We're doing the best we can. Keep everybody safe and secure here in Chicago. Make sure you give us a like, give us a share, give us a thumbs up, etc., etc. Post it to your favorite social media. And drop a comment. Let us know about your COVID story. What did you have to do that you didn't need to do regularly? Or what kind of pains in the rear are you dealing with because of COVID? And we'd like to hear from you. So by all means, this is a fun video. Drop a comment. Let's have some fun with it. Show me what y'all are doing. Thanks again for watching. George at Wicked Warnings. Hope you enjoy this COVID panel special. Make sure everybody stays home and stays safe now. And wear your mask. And do what you're told. See you guys on the next one.